Subscribe to Rajshri Food and click on the bell icon for more updates.
The best thing about sandwiches is that they are easy to make, they are portable, and you can have them anywhere. Today I'm going to show you a summer-friendly sandwich. Let's see how to make cold vegetable sandwiches. Let's start by making the filling for our sandwiches. I have some cut vegetables here. These are finely chopped capsicums, one de-seeded and chopped cucumber, one chopped onion, and one small carrot that is also chopped. The reason that all these vegetables are finely chopped is because they are not going to be cooked. Let's give this a toss now. To our beautiful colorful vegetables, I'm going to add some mayonnaise now. This is about 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. A little bit of salt to taste. And freshly ground pepper. Let's mix it together. So our sandwich filling is now ready. If you're planning to make the filling in advance, don't add the salt right now, add it at the very end when you're ready to use it. Let's chill this mixture for about 10 minutes. Let's prepare our bread now. I'm going to trim off the edges. Use a bread knife to do this, it will make your life much easier. And don't worry, you don't need to throw out all these trimmings, you can just run them through a mixer and form breadcrumbs out of these. Now let's butter the insides of our bread. This is salted butter, I'm just taking a little bit. We're buttering the bread so that it doesn't get soggy when we add our mixture to it. Now let's add our filling to this. Spread the filling till the sides and then close your sandwich. We're going to cut this into thirds. And you have yourself nice finger sandwiches. And that's how easy it is to make cold sandwiches. You can also customize the vegetables as per your liking and as per the season. When you try this recipe, do let me know about your experience in the comment section below. Like this video, share it with everyone you know, and subscribe to Rajshri Food for more such recipes. See you next time.